If you want 4 beds, 2 baths, and a pool, and you want to spend less than $700,000, welcome to Dunedin. This is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Today I'm at a listing for Fred and Nicole Quinones of Q The Experts, and we have a 4 bed, 2 bath, beautifully remodeled home here in Dunedin, Florida. And let's start. We're going to flip the camera around so I can show you the beauty that is this home. So you come in through the front door and you're immediately blessed with this beautifully open concept kitchen and shotgun style to the living room and the den. And beyond those windows is the pool. We'll get to it in a bit. But here you go, space for a large table. This one holds 6, but you can actually think about fitting a larger one when it's time for Thanksgiving and such. Beautiful island. I mean, this island is massive, beautiful, deep. Oh man, stainless steel appliances. You guys know the deal. I mean, look how well this was designed. This almost feels like a hotel. It's beautiful. Love the cabinets. As you enter, to the right, you have the garage. And as we go through the garage, the outside. We're gonna get to the backyard in a bit, but easily accessible from the garage. And what's also accessible is the laundry room. Right here, tucked away, huge washer, dryer. You know, here's the circuit breaker, but you have room for tables and shelves. You don't have to worry about, laundry interfering with the everyday household deal. Let's come through. I'm gonna take you, before we get to the bedrooms, let me take you to the living room and den. It's just relaxing. I can imagine just sitting here, guests coming in, cousins, neighbors, greeting them, not having to get up, and just inviting everyone in. Let's go back through the kitchen and let me take you to the primary. Actually, wait, that is not the primary. Let me take you to the primary. I believe it's this way. First day here, guys. My apologies. Here we go. Right at the end of the living room and den. We'll get to the bathroom, which is beautiful in a moment. But imagine waking up every day and deciding, do I go to work or do I go swim in the pool? I know if it's me, we're picking the pool each time, but large bedroom. Room for a king size, probably a shack size bed. Beautiful soaker tub. Water closet. Deep, deep closet. This is walk-in, well done. And room for, a bench for you to sit and get your clothes on, mirror. In fact, this is probably one of the first closets I've seen that's large enough for his and her. Large vanity. Look at this. The mirror spans both sinks. Stand-up shower with a rainfall shower head. That is luxurious. That is actually very beautiful. Dog run around the house. Now, let's visit the other bedrooms. On this side of the living room, you have a room that we've staged as a office. Nice size. You could fit a queen in here. I don't think a king would be too smart. Nice size closet, air conditioning. Very comfortable. Let's check out the other 2 bedrooms. As I mentioned, this is a 4 bed, 2 bath. To the left of the entrance, you have the second bathroom. Nice, everything you'd expect. Bedroom number 3, good size, definitely queen bed available, and large large closet. Almost walk-in. Utility closet and the final bedroom. Blessed with a much bigger closet than the last one, but slightly smaller in space. So yeah, this is what you can get here in Dunedin for under $700,000. If this home or this city or anywhere in Pinellas County is of interest to you, please give me a call. This is Christian Bush, licensed realtor with Real Broker, 727-303-1521, or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Talk to you later. Happy Father's Day.